Hello everyone. Today we are finishing our unit of making small talk. We're gonna play a little review game of four in a row, right? Four in a row. You can connect this either this way, vertically. You can connect them this way, horizontally, or you can connect it diagonal, right? Diagonal. All right, let's begin. We also going to go over some expressions that we're going to start utilizing your vocabulary, expressions that will help you expand your vocabulary and your paragraphs, right, with the RBFED format. All right, so let's begin. Okay, so let's go with group A, and then group B, okay? So let's begin. Let's go here. He says, Mr. Brown's English class is very, what is this? Personal, everyday, or popular? What could this be? A Brown's English class is very personal, everyday thing, or popular? It's very popular. That is the correct answer. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so now it's group B, right? It's time for group B. Let's see, where would we put it? Okay, so let's start with right here, second. Which question is about politics? Which question is about politics? Which question is about politics? Let me know. Tell me. Do you have a boyfriend? Or how did you vote for? Are you Christian? Which one is about politics? Correct. Who did you vote for, right? Yeah, those are some questions that we usually don't ask because they are not okay during small talk conversations, right? Let's go to the next one. Let's go to first, second. Okay, let's go to the third row. He says here, don't ask someone personal questions. You are friends. Unless, if, or when. Don't ask someone personal questions if you're friends. Don't ask someone personal questions when you're friends. Or don't ask someone personal questions unless you are friends. The correct answer is unless. Let's continue with this. Okay, so let's go to the next one. First, second, third, fourth. Let's go here. The employees are having small talk, making small talk, or doing small talk. What are they doing? Having small talk. Oh, I got it wrong. Okay. Making small talk is the correct answer. Good job. Okay, so now we are going to put it on the for the next question. What are they doing? What are they doing? Making dinner? Having a party? Or having dinner? Having dinner is the correct answer. That's right. Let's go to the next question. And we're going to go to first, second, third, fourth, fifth row. What is a popular topic for small talk at work? Health problems, weekend plans, or salaries? What's a popular topic for small talk at work? Health problems, weekend plans, or salaries? Yeah, small talk at work will be weekend plans, right? That would be a good way to have a small talk with someone at work. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. Let's go to the sixth row. You should ask coworkers about their religion, conversation, or recommendation. You should ask coworkers about their Recommendation. Oh, that will not be complete. Correct. So it will be about their religion. You shouldn't, right? You shouldn't be asking people about their religion. That was the correct answer to that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. They are having a baby, bringing a baby, taking a baby. They are having a baby, correct? That's correct. Let's go to the seventh. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Many employees get a half hour to eat. Half hour meeting to eat, half hour break to eat, or half hour dinner to eat. Half hour break. That's the correct answer. Alrighty. Now that we have covered every single one, we're going to try to win the game, right? By completing 4 in a row. So, Red, where would you like to go here? First, second row, or you can go to the 5th or 6th row. Let's go to the 6th row. Helen wants to find a good Italian restaurant. Do you have a, for her, conversation, recommendation, or dinner? Recommendation. Very good. That would be the correct answer. First, or second, or third, or fourth, or seventh. Let's go to 7th, right? Which question is about religion? Who did you vote for? How's your mother? Are you Christian? Correct. Are you Christian would be the good an answer to that. All right, so let's go here because they only need to connect 4, right? That would be the third one. Which is the correct question? Is there a library over here? Is there a library between here? Is there a library around here? Which is the correct question? Is there a library over here? Is there a library between here? Is there a library around here? Around here is the correct way to ask these questions. So obviously, B, you're not going to allow these guys to win. So you want to go here to stop the winning of the team, which shows that you have a good people skills. Making small talk, having a meeting, or taking a break. Making small talk, right? That's correct. So, what do you have? Okay, let's go here. Do you like basketball? Which is the example of personal question. Do you like basketball? Where did you buy that shirt? Are you married? A personal question would be, are you married? All right, so what can we do? Okay, why don't we go here? Sometimes people for their birthday do party, have a party, or have a meeting. Have a party. I hope Mrs. Luyanda is planning a party for all of us, correct? For our birthday. All right, so it's your turn to stop them from winning. Let's go here. Which is not an everyday topic? The weather, traffic, or cancer? Which is not an everyday topic? Correct. Cancer. People are not going to go around talking about cancer every day, right? So that will be the correct answer. Okay, so where we're going to do, we are going to go, how about we go over here? To have a conversation means to take turns, to talk, to send a message. To talk. And the last one of this round, and then we're going to stop here because I have something important to tell you. Let's go over here. Americans don't like to talk about at work, traffic, sports, or politics. Politics, right? That will be the correct answer. And let's go right here. What are they doing? Having a meeting? Doing a meeting? Or making a meeting? What are they having? What is going on here? They're having a meeting, correct? they're studying or they're having a meeting. The last one. Oh, let's go here to complete the Connect 4. Don't make small talk in the break room, all day long, or in the morning. Don't make small talk all day long, right? That's a no-no. And all right, so we have this game to review some of the things that you should and you shouldn't do, right? When we're having small talk. Now, what I would like you to do now is to look up at this vocabulary that I have created for you. This vocabulary, I send this to you in an attachment, and it is important because it gives you expressions that facilitate communication. This is for our ESOL class. So what I would like you to do is to look at all of these words, right? And translate them. Translate it to your language. If you speak Spanish, then you are going to probably get a dictionary or any translator of your liking and translate each one of this, okay? If you speak Spanish, French, or you speak Arabic, or you speak whatever, Portuguese, whatever language, Japanese, German, whatever language you speak, translate it, and I will give you an understanding of what these words mean, okay? Not only that, but you can utilize them and you can replace them for example, okay, in the RBAFED format. So you have here words to present a topic or subject, such as at the beginning, beginning with, as a start point, in the first place, in the second place, in the third place, first, to begin, to express an idea, on account of, because of, presently, right now, upon consideration of, in my opinion, in spite of everything, of course, as in, as much as, or since, by no means, at any rate, regarding, with respect to, considering that, it is true that, it is certain that. So all of these words right here, its purpose is to present a topic or subject, okay? Now you have other words such as prepared or clarified. You can use these words like furthermore, in addition, at the same time, likewise, with respect to, according to make known that, to clarify that, and all of these words as well. So please translate them right here. You can print it and then you can translate these words, okay, and learn them and try to use them in sentences or in paragraphs. Words that you can use to compare and contrast ideas are in contrast to, both, in spite of or despite, although, as given, as or given that, in the same way. So you can compare and contrast ideas with these words or these expressions. You have other words such as to demonstrate cause and effect, because of, upon consideration of, seemingly, apparently, in light of this, considering such a factor. So these are also expressions that will help you. Therefore, it's a very common word, there are transitional phrase that allow you to do that. To complete or finish a theme, in, and, after all, finally, at last, at the end, when it's all is done and said, first of all, from the above. So what I would like you to do is to look at these words and translate them, okay? And try to use sentences and paragraphs in where you can include these words, okay? These words are transitional phrases that allow you to expand. You can remove them, for example, and use these expressions. All right, so let's go over together. I'll talk